Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to play Iron Man on guitar. We'll start by tackling the legendary main riff, which is instantly recognizable. This riff primarily uses the low E string and involves power chords, giving it that signature heavy metal feel. Pay close attention to your timing and incorporate palm muting to achieve the powerful, percussive sound. It's a foundational element for mastering this classic track. Next, we'll move into the verse and pre-chorus sections. The verse riff maintains a similar feel to the main riff, but introduces subtle changes in its pattern. Focus on smooth transitions between these parts to keep the song flowing. The pre-chorus then shifts gears, building anticipation with a different chord progression, leading perfectly into the chorus. Mastering these sections adds depth to your performance. Now, let's dive into the powerful chorus and the contrasting bridge. The chorus is incredibly anthemic, driven by a strong, memorable chord progression that defines the song's main hook. Following this, the bridge provides a melodic break, offering a different texture and feel before returning to the heavier sections. Focus on the dynamic shifts and rhythmic precision to bring these parts to life. Finally, we'll explore the iconic guitar solo and the song's outro. The solo is a masterclass in blues-infused heavy metal, featuring expressive string bends and rapid-fire licks. Dedicate time to practicing your bending and vibrato techniques to capture its emotional impact. The outro brings us back to the main riff, gradually fading out with sustained notes and feedback, providing a powerful conclusion to this legendary track.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.